This is Mabel's Tables, and I am doing a collab with Anna of the Grace Life Home DIY Decor and Tammy of the Glam Queen of Decor. This was a three-part collab. We did one part, two parts, and now this is the finale. This is the Princess Dream Wedding Cake Table, designed by none other than Mabel's Tables. As you take a look around, you will see all of the beautiful DIYs that I created for this sensational, beautiful cake and dessert table for the bride and the groom. Take a look around at all the beautiful things that was designed especially for the bride. We have cozies for the wine bottles. These were DIY. Gift boxes with gifts, those were DIY as well. And the glasses that we're serving our wine in, they were DIY as well. And we have a DIY heart unifying the togetherness for the bride and the groom. And here is a DIY that I did as well for to showcase on my final Princess Dream wedding, the cake table. And you know, in a wedding, the bride is number one. And believe it or not, people, the cake table is number two. The cake table should be decked out as the bride is. The cake table should be fantastic, should show the beauty of the marriage that's beginning to take out. So, yes, this cake table is blessed. Oh, yes. And it should be blessed and it should be made so that the happy couple will remember this cake table throughout their marriage life. So I'm going to go up again and let you see. This is one of my DIY cakes that I made for this cake table, and I have it on a pedestal because it is beautiful enough to be on a pedestal. And here it is. And it comes all the way down to the serveware on the table. And here is my wreath with fur and just a little pop of pink to bring out this wedding cake table decor. Yes, this is a Princess Dream wedding finale. I would like to thank Anna of the Grace Life DIY and Tammy of the Glam Queen of Decor for having these three series of a Princess Dream wedding. And here is our Princess Dream wedding cake. Look how beautiful that bride is on top of this Princess Dream wedding cake. Thank you, Anna, and thank you so very much. Thank you, Tammy, for having this three-part Princess Dream wedding collaboration. I hope that you all like what you see, and be sure to use some of these items. Be sure to DIY you some, where you will never know that you may get a chance to set up a Princess Dream wedding for someone that you know and love. This is Mabel's Table saying God instituted love, and love is a beautiful thing when God is in the midst. Don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself. And always know that God is alive and well. Thank you so very much for subscribing and for looking. Please go on over and check the other content creators out. I'm quite sure, I know without a doubt, they have something lovely for you to see. Thank you, Anna, and thank you, Tammy. And don't forget to go over to these beautiful ladies' channel. They are magnificent in their own way. Go on over and check them out. You will be so glad that you did. Mabel's Table sang adieu and happy wedding day to you.